What's going on, guys? Andy and Randy here for G4 Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing something we usually don't do. We're going to get serious and we're going to show you guys how to fix and replace a laptop screen.
And like with any project, start by taking the screen out. The next step is always locating your problem. Another step for easy screen replacement is always having the proper tools at hand. Sometimes when working on projects, you realize the computer may have other issues with it. We've discovered that the mouse is no longer working correctly.
And the last and easiest step is just sending the product back to the customer. Like I said, guys, we're not a big tutorials channel, but every now and then we like to get you guys some different content. So if you're looking on more ideas and ways to fix common things in your household items, we can take care of it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, G4 Outdoors, we're fixing stuff. And remember, practice makes perfect. So we're close, wait longer, and at G4 Outdoors, remember, practice makes perfect. Hold on, we can always cut it. No, we don't want to cut though, because then people will think it was staged.